Hello everyone and welcome back. This is Sleepless Ninjas, and I want to personally thank everyone for all the comments they've been giving me. It's been really helpful, and today I want to make a special shout out to my man Snake Man. He asked for an RSS feeder for the new Sleepless Ninja blog, and here you go. You can subscribe right here on the right column, subscribe via RSS, and you can also subscribe on the bottom. I mean, this was a great idea, and as asked, I give. So please, everyone, you can leave comments, you can have requests, and I'll be more than happy to add them if they're feasible for me to do. And really, thank you, and I really appreciate everything and all the comments and all the praise and all the critiques. They are extremely helpful and beneficial in making me provide the best movies that I can possibly to you, to the best of my ability, which I hope is acceptable enough. So what I wanted to talk to you today, on the note, since we're doing the RSS feed, is kind of the nice little feed that we have on the Xoom itself. So if we go to home, let's take a look at Pulse, which actually also today had a nice update. So here we go. This is Pulse, and for many users of the Xoom, you probably use this daily anyways. It is amazing. You can subscribe to so many different RSS feeds and many popular websites and just get awesome articles, and they have this nice interface where you can sort of get a visual and the title, and you can scroll through the different feeds to the right or the left, and then to view all the feeds you can go up and down. So it's a really nice way to view feeds, and it works really well. You click on a feed and it brings up the article onto the right. And if you wanted to look at it more in depth, oops, I clicked another one. If you want to click on it more in depth, you go to the original article, and it can bring you up in the browser. So that's pretty fantastic. There's also an alternate mode. Let's quickly go back to Pulse. You can view it as a text, or you can view it as HTML. Due to the size of some web pages, the HTML might not fit exactly in the screen, so you'll have to pan to the right and the left. But for the most part, it does a very good job, and then you can get the full experience if there's any videos or pictures that might have been cut out from the text version. So I'm going to go over how to add a feed to your Pulse. So sorry about that for a second. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Manage Sources. And then you can see on Manage Sources, we want to click on Plus. Plus basically means add. And they have recommended and featured, and you can go through those. There's a couple good ones. And then you can also browse, and you can browse by category, which is also very nice, and I found a couple doing that way. But to really find ones for your particular website, you need to actually type them in. So for instance, if we wanted to find the RSS feed for my blog, you can just type in sleeplessninjas.com, and then it will search for the RSS feed on my website. So it could take us a couple seconds. And there we go. There it is. And then all you have to do is click the check, and it will add it. It happened to already be added, and you can see it right there. So what you see right now is actually pages. So this is one of the new things that happened in the Pulse 2.0 update. So you can have more feeds and the way that they did it is separate the feeds into these pages. And so you can see I haven't really filled out all my pages yet because the update was so recent. So right now I just have my page 1 and some overflow into page 2. You used to be able to fit more, but what they did is they broken down how long each page was, and then they moved your overflow to page 2. And you can see you can quickly order them and drag different blogs in different orders. You can scroll over. There's a total of 5 pages, and so you can actually organize your pages into categories or anything you want. So it becomes very, very nice, an organized way of managing your RSS feeds. And then, of course, to navigate between the different feeds, you just quickly go to the top here and navigate to those feeds. Voila. And so you can see, if we move down, here it is, the Sleepless Ninja RSS feed, and click, and we have a very nice article there for you. You can note that there is no video. So in order to get the video, you actually have to go to the original site or put it in web mode, and then you'll be able to see and view the video. So overall, Pulse is an extremely nice way to gather information and to just really get a good overview of any topic of your choice. It's just an amazing RSS feeder, and please take advantage of it. I use it all the time when I'm on the go, and just really knowing what is going on around in technology is what I use it for, and it does a phenomenal job.